Welcome everyone, this is Aptech Pro. Today we're going to be working on the iPhone 7 Plus with a cracked screen. It sounds like the Taptic engine in there is loose as well. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
Let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm a loner when everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over.
And we are done. So 14 minutes and 42 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 7 Plus screen. And then I also fixed the haptic. Not sure if you can hear that or not. It was real loose in there. There was 2 screws missing for whatever reason. So I went ahead and fixed that as well. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and also YouTube. And just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.